breakfast. Oh man, it's always so hard to walk out of a nice, comfortable hotel room. Not sure how well hitching is going to go this morning, but the only shuttle I could find in town was going to charge 30 bucks for a 5-mile ride, which seemed a little steep.
I think I know the one. It's before Sheffield.
Friendly local officer gave me a ride. I got to sit in the back seat on the plastic seats, and I couldn't exit the vehicle on my own. He had to come and open the door because it was locked. Always an adventure out here. If it's not one thing, it's another. Good morning, by the way. We've got 13.5 miles to do today now that we're back on trail, so let's get her done. Well, I didn't get very far at all before I got attacked by the mosquitoes. They were here waiting for me. Had to stop and put on bug spray already, but it's working good. Well, I'm sitting on a rock with my feet out in front of me. Guess what happened? That's right, fall number 4. Dang it. And it's all due to a slanted rock that's super sweaty. Very, very slick. I should have known better than to trust that slick rock. The meteorologist this morning said that it was going to be uncomfortable today with the humidity. And yes, that's absolutely true. We have humidity, we have gnats going on, which is why I'm wearing this head net, and we've got, apparently, the rocks sweating at this point, so got to be more careful. Again, not hurt, just to slip and slide onto the butt. I will take those any day. Okay, I'm gonna get up now. Stupid rock. This is called the Ice Gulch. It says with such shade and such a deep gulch down there, there's snow down there until the middle of summer. I don't see any snow today, but it's also a good break spot. We're gonna sit right here and have our lunch, nice and cool. I'm getting serenaded on my lunch break. How nice. That was a wonderful lunch spot. I did not want to get up. But let's get the show on the road, I guess. Highly recommend, though. If I mentioned how much I like Massachusetts, it's like we're in a park. I mean, come on. Look at this. Oh, dang. I just missed it for y'all. There were 2 wild turkeys crossing the road. Why did one wild turkey cross the road? To follow its friend, I guess. I don't know. Bad punchline. Let's see if we can go sneak up on them. Yes, let's bother the wildlife. Great idea. I don't see them. I guess they're already off on their merry little way, wherever that may be. We got some yellowish water today. It's okay, it's still clean. It's just a little colored from the leaves, that's all. And it's cool. See how it's sweating? Yeah. I was just having a really big yawn and a bug hit my upper lip right as I was doing that. It was so close, it almost went directly into my mouth. That would have been tragic. That was a big bug. And more beautiful flat trail. Hi. Do you want to go for a ride? Would you like to go for a little ride with me? I can put you on my backpack. I'd show you a good time. No? Think not? All right. And here's where I have to pay for all that nice flat trail. Gonna start climbing. Gotta climb 1,000 feet. But it's over 5 miles, so hopefully it should not be steep. All right, this is definitely a little stalkerish. Okay, it's definitely stalkerish. But look what a pretty place. Got some moo cows out front of a nice little red barn. They're having a good time. You got a nice little farmhouse. Nice. This is Benedict Pond. Someone's kayaking way out there. Might sit here for a minute. Sometimes a good breeze is a euphoric moment. Right now is that time. Whew. This spot is called The Ledges. Ooh, hello. There's too many spots that require a break today. Look at all these good seats. I'm never gonna make it to camp. Hey, buddy. How's it going for you today? Holy cow, look at this guy. He scared me. Is he like a dinosaur? I had no idea that turtles could have tails like that. He is huge. He's like the size of a basketball. Look at that back leg. It's like an elephant leg. Holy cow. Look, he's got like dinosaur scales. What is this? Wow. Look at his little face. He's got a real big arm tucked up under there. Wow. Wow. Look at that tail. Look at that little arm. You are something else, buddy. You know that? You're a crazy turtle. Looks like you should be in the water though, huh? I know. I have never seen anything like you. You're pretty neat. All right, buddy. I guess I'll leave you be. Enjoy the rest of your day. It was lovely meeting you. I've been hearing thunder rumble off in the distance. Seems to be getting a little louder, and it's getting a little darker. If you can see it, not really. Well, take my word for it. It's getting a little darker over there. I checked my weather app and it seems like maybe we have a little cell that's about to hit us, so we may get some rain here, but we've still got 2 miles to the shelter. Better skedaddle. Well, we're at some other shelters right here. So maybe the smarter thing to do is to go over here and wait it out, since it seems to be kind of a storm cell coming. I think that's what we'll do. All right, Wilson and I are here at the shelter before the one we wanted to get to, at least until we see which way this storm is going. Oh yeah, I feel validated. Oh wow, we better be on the lookout for a rainbow after this. Well, that was perfect timing, wasn't it? How often does that happen? This other shelter is on the same trail as to the one that I waited it out in, This one was built by the CCC in '39, obviously. The floor looks a little chewed up in there, but pretty neat. That's one of the oldest shelters in Massachusetts and on the trail, it said. Look who came out with the rain. Our little red effed friends. I think they freeze when they see us coming. My weather app lied. It said it was finished raining. Fantastic. Now I'm out in a true thunderstorm that's closer than the one I waited out. Thanks a lot, weather app. Really appreciate it. Woo! Holy cow. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay. This is great. Fantastic. Oh look, what a beautiful beaver pond that empties into Swan Brook. We can continue our tour in the rain, I guess. Okay. Well, we made it to Mount Wilcox North shelter. It's not a great shelter. There's holes between the floorboards for critters to come up and get me. I'm the only one here. Everything's flooded. I guess it's my own fault. It's a good thing I took a video of that weather app because I was concerned with the one cell that was coming, but not about the other ones that were following it. I just overlooked that little tidbit of information. But anyway, it's fine. It's a good thing I like thunderstorms. And to make me happy again, we have a full sub sandwich that I packed out from town. All right, got everything done for the night. About to head to bed. When I got here and started unpacking though, I realized that even though I'm fully prepared with 2 liner bags in my pack, one for the inner part and one for the external zippered pocket, for whatever reason, water got into both of those bags. Not horribly, but I am drying out all of my stuff, taking up quite a bit of the shelter. It's a good thing there's no one else in here right now with me. So we'll see y'all in the morning, and perhaps it will not be as rainy tomorrow. We shall see.